Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to fix common error in Pinterest. In order to fix common error in Pinterest app, you need to follow these steps. So basically, you would go with the basic steps. First thing, you could try restarting. To restart, hold on to your side button, just like that. You could find the restart button and that might also help you out. If that is not working out, you want to make sure to swipe down, check your internet connection. So long press the internet connection and there you could go ahead and make sure to toggle the button for Wi-Fi or maybe restart your mobile data or Wi-Fi. That might be able to help. Now in some cases, what you could also do is restart your router. That might also be able to help. If the issue still persists on, then you could just go ahead and open up settings on your device and then you want to go to the apps section and then click on see all apps and you want to locate Pinterest from the list. Here it is, and you want to make sure to click on storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache and that might also be able to help. If not, then you could also try logging out of your Pinterest app or try updating. Go to your respective app store. On the search bar, type in Pinterest and check whether the app needs to be updated or not. If nothing works out, then the simple step you could follow is restarting or reinstalling your Pinterest app, and that is actually going to help. So this is how you could fix common error in Pinterest. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.